In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Tableau public dashboard or worksheet to an image, a process that takes only 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to share your latest data discoveries or simply want a snapshot of your analysis, this guide will walk you through every step. So, let's dive right in. First up, we need to launch the Tableau public application. Open it up on your computer, and if you're not logged in already, make sure to do so. Once you're on the app, navigate to the dashboard or worksheet you're interested in exporting as an image. If you have multiple projects, you'll need to access the specific one that holds the worksheet you're going to save. Once you're in your desired project, select the specific sheet you want to export. This is an important step as you need to ensure you're working with the correct data visualization. Now for the next step, head over to the top menu where you'll find the File option. Click on it to open a drop-down menu and then select Save to Tableau Public. This action will save your current sheet and will automatically open the Tableau Public website in your browser, redirecting you to your profile. Once you're on your profile page in the browser, you'll notice various options. Look for the download icon. It's typically located on the upper part of the interface and might resemble a downward pointing arrow. Click this download icon to proceed to the next action. The download options will give you a variety of formats to choose from, and in this case, you want to select Image. Clicking this will initiate the download of your selected dashboard or worksheet in an image format. Once the download is complete, you'll find the image saved on your desktop or in your designated downloads folder, depending on your browser settings. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Tableau dashboard or worksheet into an image. This method is seamless, providing you with a high-quality representation of your data visualization that you can share or use in presentations, reports, or wherever you might need it. This process is especially useful for those within business environments or academic settings where sharing data insights is crucial. Remember, while the Tableau app offers a myriad of options for in-depth analysis, sometimes a simple image can be a powerful way to communicate complex insights. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have more questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment or visit the help section of Tableau's website for more support. Have a great day and happy analyzing.